Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Due to escalating border tensions with China, India went for the procurement of 21 MiG 29 along with the upgradation of existing MiG 29 aircrafts. Not just that, the procurement plan also included 12 Sukhoi Su 30 Mk aircrafts. India signed this particular deal during July 2020 with Russia while overlooking the American fighter jets, including the F 21s, that the United States claimed was a lethal combination of stealth F 35 and F 22 fighter jets. Lockheed Martin F 21 jets have been described as the most advanced F 16 variant ever built, incorporating futuristic avionics, which belongs to F 35 Lightning II and F 22 Raptor 5th generation fighters. It was named as F 21 just to differentiate the increased performance and capabilities, and all this was done exclusively for India. United States has been planning to sell the customized F 21 to India, which was unveiled at Aero India 2019 in Bangalore. Lockheed Martin submitted a proposal to India when Indian Air Force had sought requests for information from vendors from across the world to supply 114 modern fighter planes. There were many offers which Lockheed Martin provided while offering their F 21. Lockheed Martin mentioned that the F 21 which will come to India will have India specific electronic warfare suite, a single engine that reduces the costs, and also the capacity to carry 40% more weaponry. Another interesting fact is that if Indian Air Force decides to buy the F 21, then Lockheed Martin will not be selling this particular fighter to any other country. F 21 with new cockpit display, a larger airframe spine to accommodate additional electronics and a new infrared sensor, the oval shaped under fuselage intake, the single finned tail unit, the large ventral strakes seen under the tail section. All this adds stability and control and enhancing the attack angles and also makes the fighter more powerful. Another important feature is the refueling probe that is compatible with India's Russian-made aerial tankers. According to Lockheed Martin, F 21 had 12,000 hours of service life airframe and has completely different airframe, weapons capability, engine matrix, and availability of engine options. If you see the armament details, F 16 supports a variety of Indian Air Force munitions, including short range and medium range missiles, air to surface missiles, anti ship missiles, conventional and precision guided drop bombs. The notable support for the American AIM 120 Advanced Medium Range Air to Air Missile is an added advantage. Other variety of air to air missiles which it supports are AIM 7 Sparrow, AIM 9 Sidewinder, Rafale Python 4, and Rafale Python 5 to name a few. Coming to air to surface missiles, it can be equipped with AGM 65 Maverick, AGM 88 HARM, and few more variants. These fighters can also be equipped with AGM 84 Harpoon anti-ship missiles and AGM 119 Penguin. Coming to bombs, many varieties of CBU, MARC, and GBU can be deployed. Another good thing is that if Indian Air Force would have gone with this particular fighter jet, it would have got a completely new fighter jet in its fleet, and thus a variety of them would have served India. Lockheed Martin's proposed F 21 partnership with India would have delivered an advanced, scalable capabilities to the Indian Air Force and accelerate India and United States cooperation on advanced technologies. But all this has been stalled since India never went for these F 21 fighter jets. So that was all about what made me to tell that India should have gone for F 21 instead of placing an order with Russia for 21 MiG 29 and 12 Sukhoi Su 30 Mk aircrafts. Please feel free to leave your comments in the below section of this particular video. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.